brothers that we getting on. I need my money on long. I got fired, then I turn to a boss. Do what I want, give a fuck about the law. Everything major, I feel like young dog. I do this shit for my motherfucking dogs. On the way to the top of the stars.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Spiritual Homie Cat. Y'all see me, you know what I'm saying? I'm in the gym with it. I just got done. Y'all see a nigga sweating like a mother. I just got done with my shit, bruh. What that say? 333. This shit was not on purpose. I always end at 30 minutes. This shit was not on purpose. Y'all saw that. 333. 10 laps, 10 laps. Call me crazy. Damn, it just went off, but it say complete or whatever. Here go the stats right there. See, it say 332 now. Nah, it's bullshit. It's bullshit. It won't swap now that, you know what I'm saying, now that I'm over here showing y'all. But hey, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to this vid, man. Welcome to the channel, man. If you're new, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below, man. If you got any questions, or you know what I'm saying, let me know how y'all feel. You know what I'm saying? Spread the love, keep spreading the love. Man, I really, really appreciate all the new subscribers, y'all. Y'all really coming and showing your boy some love, man. I really, really appreciate it. I got hella content for y'all on the way. Y'all already know that. I got some new content up on my Patreon. Y'all go check out my Patreon, y'all. We up and running on the Patreon. Got exclusive content coming over there. Secrets, tips, tricks, all types of shit. Just shit that you won't see on the YouTube. So, you know what I'm saying? All you gotta do, go ahead, invest a little $5 and go ahead, get right on the Patreon, man. We gonna, you know what I'm saying, build a community on there, spread the love. Man, chase your dreams, simple. Hey. I got so much energy right now. I ain't even gonna lie. Whatever. I'm on my like 14th day of retention. Man, I'm pumped, boy. I'm pumped, my nigga. Y'all peep how I had wet dreams recently. 2 wet dreams, 2 nights in a row. The night after yesterday, I didn't have any because I ended up praying. You know what I'm saying? I made sure I did what I did so I wouldn't end up having more. You feel me? But you know what I'm saying? Thank God, like, before we start, you know what I'm saying, I want to thank God off rip just for, you know what I'm saying, having me in the position he got me in right now, opening me up to new opportunities and you know what I'm saying, expanding my mindset on different things, especially intuitively, like expanding that, like my intuition and stuff like that, like, you know what I'm saying? Expanding my discernment, you know what I'm saying? Just the way I be, you know what I'm saying? Different gifts he given. I'm just walking around and shit. This topic today is about, like being alone. I know y'all ever feel like y'all like in a bad situation, like isolation wise. And you just feel like you taking a whole bunch of L's and you feel me? It's a whole bunch going on, but you know what I'm saying? You still praying to God. You still doing what you got to do on a day-to-day basis. You know what I'm saying? Still doing what you got to do, but you just taking hella L's behind that. Or you had to, you know what I'm saying, let some people go, or, you know what I'm saying, workplace wise, you had to let things go. You know what I'm saying? It's just a lot. And I'm in the same situation right now, so that's why I'm able to like speak it. You feel me? So if you're in this situation, I got like a couple tips and just tricks to, you know what I'm saying, get you, you know what I'm saying, out of that feeling or whatever. Cause in this situation, you might feel as though like, you might feel as though like you're like alone or like by yourself. Like, no, bro, you're not alone. Your spirit guides are with you if anything. God is with you if anything. And you know what I'm saying, you gotta be able to still keep that faith and keep pushing. You feel me? That's gonna be that's the first tip, man. Have faith. Continue to have faith, regardless of what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Because behind that, you're going to see opportunities unfold, breakthroughs unfold, blessings unfold in front of your face. So that's pretty much what happened. You know what I'm saying? I let things go. I let a lot of things go. And you know what I'm saying, I took some L's or whatever, but you know what I'm saying, I'm moving on from it. And if anything, it freed my mind and it freed, you know what I'm saying, I just dust my shoulders, man, and you know what I'm saying, got that shit up off me. So now you know what I'm saying, I'm free to think and you know what I'm saying, I'm free to, you know what I'm saying, be with God if anything. Like, I'm just free. I just got more freedom and more knowledge. Just, you know what I'm saying, I'm more free, man. I don't got, you know what I'm saying, work and 9 to 5 holding me back and shit. You feel me? I can, you know what I'm saying, focus on what I got in front of my face and, you know what I'm saying, and myself, if anything, you know what I'm saying, working on improving myself. So, you know what I'm saying, that's what I've been on this whole week, and that's what I'm on this whole week, just worrying about myself, you know what I'm saying, continuing to dig deeper, but definitely falling back into place because I did, you know what I'm saying, fall off by, you know what I'm saying, just being in confusion. And confusion, you don't want to be in confusion because that's not the way of God. God isn't confusion, that's the devil. So, you know what I'm saying, you wanna keep that faith. Whatever you believe in it and trust in it. Trust in it. The more you trust in it, bro, that's the thing. People believe stuff, but they don't trust in it. They don't, you feel me? You gotta trust in it, bro. You gotta trust in it. Trust in God, bro. Trust in the Most High to get you through whatever you're going through, man. But yeah, that's the first one. You know what I'm saying? Have faith. The second one, continue to be disciplined. If you're on retention, or if you're a female and you're celibate, because I know you know what I'm saying, I've been having a couple females come on the channel. I don't want to leave y'all out no more, especially if I'm just going deeper into more spirituality. So you feel me, y'all, you feel me, stay disciplined in whatever it is, for real. It don't just gotta be sexual wise, but definitely hold your energy in, because that's you're going to build off of that, and you know what I'm saying, that gives you your wholeness. You know what I'm saying, it you know what I'm saying, just give you that energy, bro, that you need to push through whatever feeling you going through, whether you're depressed, whether you're confused, you know what I'm saying, whatever it is, bro, it's gonna push you through it. And what else? Shit, last one. Definitely don't procrastinate. Definitely don't procrastinate. And I've talked about this before in a video before, about fear, false evidence appearing real. Man, do not ever procrastinate or doubt yourself, or, you know what I'm saying, however you feel about something, bro. If not only that, but if you feel that if opportunities are coming your way and it's from God and God led you there to that opportunity, then, you know what I'm saying, you shouldn't procrastinate. You should, you know what I'm saying, go through with it and still have that trust in God, you feel me, to get through it, regardless of what it is. You feel me? He gonna guide you through it. You feel me? But yeah, that's really all. Like, I just wanted to get a couple, you know what I'm saying, little tips out the way. But yeah, man, that's really how I feel. And I'm pretty sure if, you know what I'm saying, if you resonate with this, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and like that. You know what I'm saying, tap that like button. But yeah, man, that's really how things are gonna go if you're in situations like this. You're gonna, it's never more so just God, or, you know what I'm saying, or it's never, my fault, let me rephrase that. It's never just the devil. Like, we give too much props to the devil, like, for him doing stuff that's making us, you know what I'm saying, fall off track or this and that. You know what I'm saying? They say, you know what I'm saying, the devil has to talk to God about whatever. If he wants to if the devil wants to manipulate somebody, he has to talk to God before he can do it. Like, God is the controller of everything. So at the end of the day, you feel me, God gave the devil the permission to do whatever he wanted to do to you, regardless of what it is. But you feel me, if anything, God, he's not doing that for no reason or just to put you down or anything. He's doing it for a reason, and you know what I'm saying, to push you and give you a different mindset of something. You feel me? Yeah, I really hope most of y'all get what I'm saying. And I know my light workers, my star seeds, man, my people on retention, I know my chosen ones gonna understand what I'm saying. If you don't understand, please go back and watch some of my videos. And, you know what I'm saying, try to get a rundown of, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and do your own research, but definitely believe me when I say it, man. You know what I'm saying? God is, you know what I'm saying, divine guidance. We need it, man. We need divine guidance for sure in this life, man. So, yeah, that's really all. I just had to run, you know what I'm saying, just run down, you know what I'm saying, how I've been, you know what I'm saying, past couple of days. And, you know what I'm saying, just summing up to, you know what I'm saying, just analyzing everything. You feel me? You feel me? If you ever do feel like you stuck in a situation or like you confused or, you know what I'm saying, you just depressed or whatever, bro, just realize and just tell yourself. Be real with yourself. Look yourself in the mirror. Tell yourself, be real. Bro, this is just a season. Especially if you praying to God, you letting him know, like, you feel me? You praying, you letting God know your situation, etc. You feel me? As long as you doing that, bro, all you gotta remember in your head, bro, all of this right now is just temporary. It's just a season. The best you can do is push through that season so that you can see greater results. But, bro, if you just sitting there mad, sad, and depressed, bro, and not having no real faith about it, then, you feel me? You just gonna be stuck in that mood. So you gotta push out of that and just realize, bro, opportunities coming, breakthroughs are coming, blessings are coming. But the season I'm in right now, it may look bad, but it's just temporary. You feel me? That's all. Yeah. I really, really appreciate y'all. I want to thank y'all once again for subscribing, watching my vids, man, showing some love. Like, none of y'all have to, man. But I really, really appreciate y'all so much. I want to continue to get this word out there, continue to spread love, awaken other souls, man. For real. I got a new Buddha chain. If y'all know what this means, it means awakened one. You feel me? The awakened one or the enlightened one. A lot of people think enlightenment mean like it's something bad. But maybe that's for another vid, man. But I really, really hope y'all enjoyed this, man. Don't forget to go check out some of my other vids. Tap that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below, man. Have a good ass day. Have a good ass night. Have a good ass afternoon, wherever you at, man. And I'm out.